when it comes to blending in, Viewrail stands out. Glass railing from Viewrail is sleeker, simpler, and stronger than the competition. Traditional railings close off your space, but Viewrail Glass opens up your view, elevates your design, and blends in perfectly with any environment. It's the best railing you'll never see. Plus, it's safe. Our tempered glass railings are 3 times stronger than code requires, backed by a certification from the International Code Council. And our SGP laminated panels are 5 times tougher and up to 100 times stiffer than the competition. That's strong enough to withstand hurricane force winds. Getting started is easy. Just send us some basic measurements and a few photos of your space, and our designers will work with you to make sure your system looks exactly how you want it. Then they send it to our engineering team, and we'll make all the calculations and fabrications offsite to make installation simple and smooth. Elevate your space with gorgeous glass that's built to last from Viewrail.